should be necessity in communicating. One question. Who has here has Facebook account? May I see the raise of hands? Down please. Facebook. In technology, I always hear Facebook. It's always in my ear when I see technology here. Facebook is our most famous communicating application for us. It's been a useful thing to us students here in Malayan. That's why Malayan avail a URL site only Facebook and not other sites, because some of them are not useful. And now, I'm here standing here persuading you about Facebook is important to us. First thing, Facebook gives an entertainment to us. There are plenty of things that can give to us. First, yeah, that's what I want to hear. Stop it. There are no boys. Wait. Like you. Wait.
Like you.
Give me a second. Wait. Boys, I know there are some plenty of girls you can search around there. In your site, but in the internet, there are so many in Facebook, especially in Facebook. You can just type any name of a girl. You can any name of a girl, and there's a lot of results that came out. You just click at the friend and done.
Sure.
Just wait. And second thing is communicating. Communicating is the best thing that most helpful us students about homework. Or when we don't know something, when we copy something, it's easy than on personal things. And third thing is games. There are games, even though there are games that are much bigger size, you can play on Facebook anything you want. And it's an online, you can compete with other friends. Like Candy Crush, who's more better. And Tetris. Fourth thing is what I like the most. I know I'm all about boys here. That Facebook can be an inspiration when you just see your crush on your Facebook. No. Stalker. And now, and for the other side, Mr. Miss Lat would explain to you about the other benefits of having Facebook. So, for me, and that advice, Facebook would be the best thing for an application for technology if you use wisely and have fun on it properly.
For me, I disagree on what he said. Basically, Facebook worsens the laziness of the students, and they become irresponsible because of chatting to their special someone, and the Facebook take up too much of the time of the students rather than they're doing their homework. They're prioritizing Facebook because of their crush and because they're playing games on Facebook. And eventually, a student forget their responsibilities because of Facebook, what has to offer, like games, chatting, and based on Facebook addiction disorder or FAD, it is a term given by the US psychologists for those people who are addicted from Facebook. There are symptoms of FAD like get depressed when they crash, don't add them in Facebook, and obsessive thinking about Facebook, and increasing amount of time using on Facebook. And personally, I believe that using Facebook are harmful and have consequences. First, because of identity theft or fraud, your personal information can be used by other people for illegal activities. Second, the cyberbullying. Cyberbullying has increased for the past few years, and it can be a result for a mental tension, depression, decrease of self-esteem of a person. And the third one is the concern of means of stalking. Stalking.
Yes.
They can spread malicious rumor or malicious photo among your friends.
Ah.
And the bottom line of using Facebook or why Facebook doesn't necessity is there are pros and cons of using Facebook, and it depends on how you use it. And just be safe, be careful, be aware, and enjoy what technology has to offer. And I conclude that using Facebook can contain benefits for students, for online communication, and for a stress reliever when they see their crush on their wall. And but it has its own downfalls.
It really depends by